Neutral position. Every wrestling match starts. There's usually two lines. It'll be a red and a green. Jarvis is green, Jalen's red. We call it neutral because they're both by each other. Then he can go to a bottom position. Jarvis face that way, knees behind the line, hands in front. He's got a good bulldog neck, straight back, good position. Now in a match, the first period always starts neutral. Second period, they'll flip a coin. It'll be red or green. This time it was the green coin. Jarvis won. He chose bottom. So as me, if I'm the ref, I'll say bottom man and a woman set. He'll nod his head. I'll say top person cover. Jalen's got one knee up, hand on the belly button, hand on the elbow. Jalen is in top position or offense. How can we score from here?
Near fall.
Yes, a near fall. So Jalen is going to show you a tilt. Jalen gets his tilt. You see the ref swiping. 1, 2, 3. If you get 3 swipes, how many points?
2.
Keep them there.
2. That's 3.
3 swipes, 2 points. If I get 5 swipes, how many points do I get? 3 points. What do you kids do on the bench right there? 3! You start cheering. That's something good. Yeah, Jalen. He gets back to his belly. Jarvis from the bottom. He can get something called a reversal. He's going to reverse his position. He gets on top of Jalen. If you're on Jarvis's team, what do you do at that point? Jalen is on the bottom. He can also escape. So if Jalen gets up and he gets out. We only cheer a little bit on the escape because we expect the bottom man to get an escape. That you're just doing a little bit. We're not going to go as crazy as a reversal or the near fall, but we're going to do it. What's another way to score from your feet? Is a takedown. Jalen will show us a takedown. No leg shot, not a throw yet. Let's see a good double leg.
Come on, Jeremy, go ahead.
They start from neutral. Jalen gets a hold of a leg. Has he got any points yet?
No.
No. Keep going. He gets some points. He's working. 2 takedown. What do you guys do? Jalen releases her.
Use the
He wants
hammer.
some more, Jarvis. Patented body lock. That's what we all start going crazy. He says Jarvis he's going to hold Jarvis's shoulders to the mat. That's going to count to 3. They shake hands.
Boo, boo.
Like point. Raise his hand.
Big guy sucks.
So that, if you've never seen a wrestling match, those are some points in there. It tells you when to go crazy on the bench because if Jalen's holding that person down, and I think it was Plymouth Duel, everyone goes, squeeze, squeeze. It has so many more pins because the crowd was involved. So when you see if Jeremy's holding somebody down, squeeze or just get him, Jeremy, whatever you want to do, those are the times when you cheer. Now we're going to work on some top and bottom stuff. Thank you, Jarvis.
Oh, the mat return.
We'll add that in right for the text special.